Crossroads of America, Scene 1, Take 1, Mark.
Without Oklahoma, there really wouldn't be a Route 66. And it's the heart and soul of the Mother Road.
I am the Mother Road. My name has been whispered by dreamers, sung by wanderers, and traced by those seeking something more, weaving a story as vast and varied as the land itself. I charge across Oklahoma's plains like the great buffalo, kicking up billowing clouds of red dirt throughout the heartland. I have held the weight of families fleeing despair. I have seen lovers meet beneath my glowing signs. I bring together people of all colors, creeds, and cultures, leading them toward horizons that glimmer with promise and memories alike. I am not merely a road. I am a lifeline, a monument, a storyteller. I am Route 66. Come, let me show you America and discover the freedom that lies within the journey.